What if your body was slowly shutting down right now and you couldn't feel it? No pain, no warning, no alarm, just silence while something deep inside begins to fail. Your organs are working, but not like they should. And the scariest part? You won't notice until it's too late. Your kidneys are constantly working every second of your life. They filter your blood, remove toxins, and balance fluids. They keep your body clean, stable, and alive. When they function properly, everything flows perfectly. Your energy is strong, your body is in balance. You don't even think about them because they never fail you. But when kidney damage begins, it starts quietly. Tiny filters inside them begin to break down. Not enough to feel, not enough to notice, but enough to start a slow, dangerous change. The system is no longer perfect. And this is where the problem begins. You still feel fine. You look normal. Your daily life continues without interruption. But inside your body, damage is spreading. Your kidneys are losing strength, little by little, and you have no idea it's happening. Now your kidneys begin to struggle. They can't filter your blood as efficiently anymore. Toxins start to remain in your system, slowly, silently, building up over time. Your blood is no longer as clean as it should be. You begin to feel tired, even without doing much. Your focus drops. Your energy fades. But you ignore it, thinking it's just stress or lack of sleep. Your body is trying to warn you, but the signs are easy to miss. Inside your body, things are getting worse. Toxins are spreading through your bloodstream. Your organs are under pressure. Your system is slowly losing control. But from the outside, everything still looks normal. Now fluid starts to build up in your body. Your legs may swell. Your face may look puffy. This is your body struggling to maintain balance. Your kidneys can no longer remove excess fluid properly, and the pressure keeps rising. Your heart is now at risk. Electrolytes become unstable, and this can affect your heartbeat. What was once steady becomes unpredictable and dangerous. Your body stops producing enough healthy red blood cells. Oxygen levels drop. You feel weak, dizzy, and breathless. Even simple tasks become exhausting. Your body is losing the energy it needs to survive. Now your brain begins to feel the impact. Toxins affect your thinking. You may feel confused, unfocused, or mentally slow. Your mind is no longer as sharp as it once was, and it only gets worse. At this stage, your entire body is overwhelmed. Toxins flood your system. Your organs struggle to keep up. Everything begins to break down. Your body is now fighting to stay alive. Your kidneys stop working. They can no longer clean your blood. Toxins continue to rise, without control. This is complete kidney failure. And without help, survival becomes impossible. Now, your life depends on a machine. Dialysis takes over the job your kidneys can no longer do. Cleaning your blood, artificially. It keeps you alive, but it's not the same as a healthy body. But here's the truth. Kidney failure doesn't happen overnight. It builds slowly, silently, over time. And in many cases, it can be prevented. The question is, will you act early or wait until it's too late? Please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video.